The following day, Steve has a secret weapon. He's flown Jane, his part-time model, out from Britain.
You get a lot of girls that sort of come and stand on the stands, but nobody really stands in sort of like thigh-length boots. And the clothing that we've chosen for her to wear, it's really good. It's so eye-catching, obviously with the lights and flashing lights, everything sort of picks off the patent materials. A bit of fun, a bit of levity, get people laughing at us. While they're laughing at me, they're looking, so why not?
Great way to sell shoes.
All the this all the black.
The hard sell begins to work.
Not this one, but this one. One of one, okay. Anything is good. It's a new customer, and that's all that counts.
Different?
Yes, only the counts difference.
What do you think?
It's nice.
One particular style is proving a big hit, especially with the Spanish.
The name?
It's a whip.
Whip.
Yes. Yeah. We call it our whip boot.
Everybody I know has only got to just have a thigh-length boot put in front of them, and they cannot do anything else but go, feel it, touch it, look at it.
To start, we would like to get 8 pairs
Yes,
in 3 colors.
Interesting. Interesting visitor. So, I mean, if there's anything you would like to see tried on, I mean, we can do that.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah? Okay. With the whip, how about that, eh?
The traditional range is selling badly, but he is attracting a lot of interest in his fetish footwear. By the end of the show, he's made hardly any bulk sales, but he has taken orders for over 200 Devine samples.
We're still not out of the woods, but you have to look at the end of the day, the samples that you've taken, and that is very encouraging. What you get today is preparation for orders to come, so that could be between now and Christmas or in the new year. We don't know.